Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a device that might just be the most underrated tablet of 2026. The OnePlus Pad Go 2. OnePlus has been on a roll lately, and this tablet promised a lot for its price. I am MrGadget, and in this video we'll do a full unboxing, walk through the setup, and I'll share 5 must-change settings to make this device punch way above its weight class. The box comes in that iconic OnePlus red and white. It feels premium even before you open it. Inside, we have a tablet itself. Let's set that aside for a second. One thing to note, we don't get a charger in the box. If you want to experience those peak 33 watts charging speeds, just ensure you are using high quality power brick that supports the output. We also get the signature red USB-C cable, the SIM tool, and the usual paperwork. Now, let's take a look at this design. The plastic bag has this smooth matte finish that feels great in the hand and doesn't leave any fingerprints. The frame is also plastic and we get quad speakers with Dolby Atmos and the massive 9500 mAh battery to keep you going all day. Under the hood, we have Dimensity's 7300 Ultra with 8GB of RAM. In this price bracket, this chip is an absolute powerhouse, delivering the kind of smooth multitasking and gaming performance you would usually expect from much more expensive tablets. To match all that power, we get the stunning 12.1-inch 3K display. And the best part? It's 120Hz, which makes every animation and scroll feel absolutely buttery smooth. Plus, it's incredibly sleek at just 0.27 inches and feels solid at 21 ounces. Now, let's get this thing started with the first boot and walk through the setup process. Setting up a new Android device is a breeze, and it's pretty much the same across all recent models. First, go ahead and pick your language and region. Next, agree to the privacy policy. Now you can actually continue the setup on your phone, which is way more convenient since it copies all your settings and accounts automatically. If not, just sign into your Wi-Fi network. This is also the part where you can transfer data from your old tablet if you have one ready. I highly recommend signing into your Google account now so you can jump straight into the Play Store and start downloading your favorite apps. When it comes to security, which is the top priority, make sure to set up a strong PIN or password. Protect your privacy from day one. In the next menu, you can keep everything enabled, but I suggest skipping the optional diagnostic data. If you don't have another backup plan, definitely enable Google Backup for your photos and device data. You will also be asked to choose your preferred browser and search engine. And if you're a fan of Google Assistant, you can activate the voice commands right here. I highly recommend joining the Red Cable Club to unlock those extra device benefits right away. To keep things hassle-free, enable auto update overnight. And when it comes to navigation, gestures are way to go. It makes the UI feel incredibly fluid. Welcome to your new home screen. The first thing I always do is jump into the settings to check the software version and make sure the tablet is fully up to date. Now that we've officially finished the setup, let's dive into those 5 must-change settings to make this device punch way above its weight class. First tip: unlock 120Hz. First, head to Settings Display and force the screen refresh rate to high. You have 120Hz panel, so don't let the system throttle your smoothness. Use that full potential. Second tip: RAM expansion. Next, go to the above device and make sure RAM expansion is enabled. This adds virtual RAM to the system, turning this tablet into the absolute multitasking beast. Tip 3: Smart Sidebar. For the pro-level productivity, toggle on the Smart Sidebar under Accessibility. It lets you open apps in floating windows, which looks incredible on this massive 12.1-inch display. Tip 4: Smart Charging. Go to Battery Health, enable Smart Charging, and set 95% custom limit to slow down chemical battery aging and ensure this tablet stays in peak condition for years to come. Tip 5: I saved the best for last. Enable developer options and set your animation scales to 0.5x, which combined with the 120Hz refresh rate will make your OnePlus feel lightning fast. And that's it. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 is clearly a serious contender, but the real battle is just beginning. I am putting it head to head against the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus and Xiaomi Pad 7 to see which one actually rules in speed, gaming and display. If these pro settings help you out, smash that like button and subscribe to MrGadget so you don't miss the ultimate showdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.